Hello everybody, here we go. We got an Ellis 1600. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Let's start it. They really did a nice job. Really nice job on it. Alright. Let me go around before we go ahead and skin it. It was really nice. All these for the protection of the saw. That's really good. So far, it looks good. So just walk around. That has been packed really nice. I like it. So let's go to the next part. Alright guys, the next part is to go ahead and take off the cover. Let's see what happens. paperwork from Ellis, the operating instructions in there, how to operate, and I believe all the part numbers and this and that in there. Yes, so that means like we almost got it covered in case we need anything from them. We got the drawings and part numbers, I would say all the details what we need in case we have any problem. So let's go again nearby and see. I love the way it was done. The construction of it is really nice. The packing was really good, and it looks so far so good. I mean, I don't see no scratches, nothing like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and I don't think so I need to break this part, but I might go ahead and do that, and then slowly we'll go ahead and take it off the pallet and see how it looks. Alright guys, now let's go to the next phase. Here we go. It's off of the pallet, and what I have seen is that the slide or the whites was just right here on the top of the bolt that need to be tightened. They moved it for a reason, I believe. So what you have to do is kind of like untie the knob in the bottom, and then go ahead, move your slide, and then need to go ahead and work on this bolt right there. Everything looks really nice. This handle, when you don't want to use it, you gotta go ahead and stall it underneath it. When you want to use it, there's a pin right there on the top. You have to turn and let the pin come into that slot and then turn it. That way you lock it, it won't run from you or come to your hand, slide on the rod. So this is how it is. And then you got your cover that opens up. There's a Velcro right there that just works like a latch. So this is how it is. Everything is set up, and they tell us how to find out what the weight you need right over here. I think the biggest thing for me is this sticker right here. See what it says? Made in USA. Well, the shop is made in USA. We are in USA. I believe I would see more of these kind of things made in USA. Everything looks so good. As I said before, the construction or the fabrication of this saw is really good. Why not? Made in USA. And here we go. Works really nice right now. And I know for sure that this is going to work really good. Where I learned about welding, my school, Caltrade Welding School in Modesto, they have the 1800 model, and I just went there today, and it's running. They were happy that I bought this. This big name was in my mind since I seen this thing, so I thank God for this. Now I have it. We'll make a lot of cuts. For example, this DOM, which I needed to cut to make some bushings for dump trucks. And also you can see like how much material I had to cut, all these angles for different purpose. So this baby would help me out a lot. The other big thing is that this is 110. I'm just gonna plug in the regular outlet and it's gonna work good. Yes, Iron Man, that's what it says. Well, I'm glad, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it to work and see how it makes me feel better, that I spent whatever the dollar amount I spent on it. I'm happy with it. So far so good. Alrighty. pleased with it. It's really good investment to have. Look at the cut. When I had to machine this, I had to go ahead and face it first. I cut this with the grinder, and as you can see, I know it's fine, but it takes more time, and I need to be careful with this saw. The job is totally different. It starts different and it's gonna end different because of all the pluses that we have, starting with the face. You don't need to face it at all. Just go ahead and get your inner ID diameter kind of cut out the way you want, or lay it the way you want it, machine it the way you want, and you'll be done. You don't have to kind of like work with it too much. I'm happy with it. Everything works out good, and I'm really happy. The only thing I need to add are the rollers, like a table roller or something like that, so it'd be easy to roll the stuff around. Well, anyway, all right guys, I'm happy. All pluses.